Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explain how to convert ounces to quarts. This can be really handy in the kitchen or anytime you're working with liquids. Let's start with the basics. An ounce, or oz, is a small unit for measuring volume, commonly used in the United States. A quart is a larger volume unit, also used in the US now. Here's the key part. 1 ounce is equal to 0.03125 quarts. To convert ounces to quarts, just multiply the number of ounces by 0.03125. For example, if you have a 20-ounce bottle of liquid, to find out how many quarts it is, multiply 20 ounces by 0.03125. That gives you approximately 0.625 quarts. Let's try another one. If you have 48 ounces of something, like oil, and you want to know how many quarts it makes, multiply 48 ounces by 0.03125. You'll get about 1.5 quarts. And that's pretty much it. Just remember that 1 ounce equals 0.03125 quarts. With a bit of practice, converting ounces to quarts will become easy, ensuring you're always accurate with your liquid measurements. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. And for more easy conversion guides and math tips, make sure to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.